Dear students, in my previous video, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom, we have got knowledge about the remembering condition by Nelson Mandela of freedom fighters of South Africa. He also pays the homage their importance towards the freedom of South Africa. He compared the contribution of these South African leaders to the minerals and gems. Then, after, he also gives the importance of democracy. He also gives the meaning of courage. In this part, last part, third in this chapter, you will find the personal intentions of Nelson Mandela when he was a young person, what he had suffered in his young life, why he chose to become a freedom fighter of South Africa, and he also gives some principles of his life. In this text, move ahead. In life, every man has twin obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children. And he has an obligation to his pupil, his community, his country. In this part, he is giving the proper common view of an ordinary person. He said, every person has two duties, obligations, responsibilities, or duties. Responsibility first towards his family, towards his parents, wife, children, and others. Same that ordinary person has also second obligations, responsibility towards his tribe, society, and his country. In a civil and humane society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations and abilities. Inclinations, expectedness, natural tendencies of behavior. He said that in a very civil, polite, and gentle society, every person is filled to capacity to fulfill these obligations according whatever he has natural tendencies of behavior and abilities. हर व्यक्ति के पास अपनी योग्यता के आधार पर अपने इन कर्तव्यों को पूरा करने की ताकत होती है. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. He accepted this fact that in a country which having situations like South Africa, it is very difficult to fulfill such type of obligations, particular for that person who has taken birth in Nelson Mandela's tribe. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated alone. He said, in South Africa, a man who belonged to his color and who attempted to pass his life a general person, he will be punished or punished to be live alone. There was very cruel system. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his pupil was inevitably ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart, a twilight existence of secrecy and revelation. Inevitably, unavoidably, in South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his pupil. In South Africa, the person who wants to follow all the duty towards his society was inevitably ripped live along from his family and his home. It was very necessary to cut down to live alone from his family and also his society, and was forced to live a life apart, a twilight existence of scarcity and revelation. Revelation, revolt, twilight, shining light, existence. And what is the duty of that person who want to fulfill his duty in South Africa? In South Africa, such type of person was forced to live alone life and he had to become revolt. साउथ अफ्रीका में जो भी व्यक्ति अपने इन कर्तव्यों का पालन करना चाहता था उसे एक विद्रोही का जीवन बनाना पड़ता था और वो अपने समाज से अलग हो जाता था, अपने परिवार से, अपने घर से सबसे अलग हो जाता था. आई डिडेंट इन द बिगिनिंग चूज टू प्लेस माई pupil above my family, but in attempting to serve my pupil, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations as a son, brother, father, husband. Nelson Mandela accepted this fact that in the very primary stage, when he selected social service, at that time he was not completely cut down from his family, but soon he felt that in efforting to serve his pupil, it was very hard task to fulfill his obligations, duties as a primary duties or son, brother, father, a husband. पहले नेल्सन मंडेला को नहीं लगा था कि वो अपने परिवार से अलग होंगे, लेकिन उन्हें शीघ्र ही पता चल गया कि वो एक भाई के रूप में, एक माँ, एक बेटे के रूप में, पति के रूप में वो अपने इन ड्यूटीज़ का जो समाज के प्रति वो करना चाहते थे वो कर नहीं पाएंगे. प्रिवेंटेड रेसिस्ट. आई वॉज नॉट बॉर्न विद हंगर टू बी फ्री. आई वॉज बॉर्न फ्री, free in every way that I could know. Nelson Mandela accepting this fact that here hunger means desire. He was not born with a desire of freedom. Actually, he was not entertaining for the climax condition of the freedom. He wanted to entertain normal condition of the freedom. He said, I was born free, free in every way that I could know. Which type of freedom he wants? Free to run in the fields near my mother's hut. Yes, किसी भी लड़के का सपना होता है कि वो खेतों में दौड़े, घूमे. फ्री टू स्विम इन द क्लियर स्ट्रीम, अच्छे नल नदी में, जलधाराओं में वो तैरे. दैट रैन थ्रू माई विलेज, वो जलधारा जो उनके घर से पास में ही बहती थी. फ्री टू रोस्ट मील्स अंडर द स्टार्स, और वो ये भी चाहते थे कि चांदनी रात में, सितारों भरी रात में वो अनाज को भूंजने का भी आनंद ले सके. राइड द ब्रॉड बैक्स ऑफ स्लो मूविंग बुल्स, एक गांव के बच्चे की उनकी भी इच्छा थी कि वो धीमे चलते हुए बुल की पीठ पर बैठने का आनंद ले. एक गांव ग्रामीण जीवन के एक किशोर के जो भी आनंद हो सकते थे, खेतों में दौड़ना, नदी में नहाना, अनाज को भूंज कर खाना, इन तरीके के आनंद वो लेना चाहते थे. एज लॉन्ग एज आई ओबेड माई फादर एंड abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. He said, according the customs of his tribe, society, there was no problem because he was full follower of the laws of man or God. There was no problem. He was able to fulfill all the desirous condition. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. But very soon, when he began to learn that his adolescent, boyhood, adolescent, किशोरावस्था, वो उन्होंने महसूस किया कि उनका किशोरावस्था एक कन्फ्यूज़न था, इल्यूज़न, कन्फ्यूज़न. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, जब वो बड़े हुए तो उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि उनकी स्वतंत्रता उनसे पहले ही छीन ली गई है. That I began to hunger for it. After it, he was feeling a great hungry for the freedom. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. When he was a student, it was general desire of the student. He wanted student only for himself. एक विद्यार्थी की भी स्वतंत्रता केवल उसके अपने तक होती, उसे सभी सुविधाएं मिलती रहें, भले ही बगल वाला पिट जाए लेकिन हम टीचर की मार से बच जाए. उसी तरह जब वो स्टूडेंट थे तो वो अपनी स्वतंत्रता को अपने तक ही रखना चाहते थे. The transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased, and go where I choose. Transitory, shifting, changing. But after some time, his freedom of selection shifts to the definition of his boyhood freedom. Because he wanted to stay outside of the house at night. He wanted to read. He wanted to read, study, whatever he wants. He wanted to go where he chose. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family. बाद में एक मैं नवयुवक बना जॉन्सबर्ग के इलाके में. जॉन्सबर्ग इज द नेम ऑफ सिटी. मैं जॉन्सबर्ग के इलाके में, शहर में एक नवयुवक बना. यार्ड अट्रैक्टेड, मैं आकर्षित हुआ था उन बेसिक ऑनरेबल फ्रीडम्स ऑफ अचीविंग, जो मूलभूत और सम्मानीय स्वतंत्रताएं होती हैं. एक नवयुवक की स्वतंत्रता क्या होती है कि वो अपनी पोटेंशियल को रखे, अपनी जॉब को करे, पैसा कमाए, विवाह करे और एक फैमिली रखे. So, as a young man, Nelson Mandela was also attracted to use his potential to earn his earning, marry, and having a family. The freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. Obstructed, disturbed. That type of freedom was not a disturbing element in a lawful life. यहाँ तक तो नेल्सन मंडेला की लाइफ में सब कुछ सही था. बच्चे की तरह वो जो चाहते थे वो मिला. बॉयहुड, एडोलेसेंट फ्रीडम उन्हें मिली, यंग फ्रीडम मिली. बट देन आई स्लोली सॉ दैट नॉट ओनली वॉज आई नॉट फ्री, बट माई ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स वर नॉट फ्री. धीमे धीमे उन्होंने देखा कि केवल वही स्वतंत्र नहीं थे इस स्वतंत्रता का एंजॉय करने के लिए, बल्कि उनकी ट्राइब के कई व्यक्ति फ्री नहीं थे. आई सॉ it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. Curtailed, dismissed, कमी कर देना. I found that it was not just my freedom. I was not only person who was enjoying this curtailed freedom, but also I found freedom of everyone who was curtailed freedom, who was in curtailed freedom. That's why I joined the African National Congress. उन्होंने पाया कि उनकी स्वतंत्रता में कटौती कर दी गई है, वो अपने हिसाब से अपनी लाइफ को जी नहीं पा रहे थे. जब उन्होंने पाया कि प्रत्येक व्यक्ति उन्हीं की तरीके से जी रहा था बंदिशों में, तब इसलिए उन्होंने अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस में ज्वाइन हुई. That is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my pupil. यही कारण था, यही समय था जब मेरी अपनी स्वतंत्रता के प्रति इच्छा मेरे अपने लोगों की स्वतंत्रता के प्रति बढ़ गई. Now Nelson Mandela has got the climax condition for, because he wants which type of freedom? He wants that freedom which should be enjoyable not only to himself but also for his whole tribe. It was this desire for the freedom of my pupil to live their lives with dignity and self respect and animated my life, animated change. Freedom, such type of freedom, not only himself but also his pupil, his person, his friend, his society member. They began to live their lives with dignity and self respect. Whatever they want, if they want only respect and self respect, sense fully freedom. And such type of feeling changed his life, animated change that transformed frightened young man into a bold one. इस प्रकार की इच्छा एक भयभीत नवयुवक को एक साहसी रूप में बदल दिया. Such type of having desire brought a vital change from a frightened, fearful young man into a courageous person that drove a law abiding attorney to become a criminal. Attorney, person, lawful, law abiding. Such type of desiring person, freedom, has pushed Nelson Mandela to accept the criminal job from lawful person. मैंने आपको बताया था कि इससे पहले जब वो स्वतंत्रताओं का आनंद ले रहे थे तब वो लॉफुल पर्सन थे, लेकिन जब उन्हें पूरी स्वतंत्रता नहीं मिली, उन्हें पढ़ने की नहीं मिली, उन्हें कमाने की नहीं मिली, तो वह अब क्रिमिनल के रूप में हो गए. साउथ अफ्रीका में, जैसे हमारे यहाँ भारत में महात्मा गांधी ने अपनी स्वतंत्रता पाने के लिए एडवोकेसी के जॉब को भी ख़त्म कर दिया था, उन्हें भी क्रिमिनल बनाया गया अंग्रेजी शासनकाल में. ठीक इसी तरह से नेल्सन मंडेला भी, जो कानूनों का पालन करने वाले व्यक्ति अभी तक थे, वो अपराधी हो गए थे. दैट टर्न्ड अ फैमिली लविंग हस्बैंड इनटू ए मैन विदाउट ए होम. Such type of freedom has turned himself without family person who was actually a family loving husband that forced a life loving man to love like a mom. He was the person he want to love his family, but he was pushed to accept the life of a son, monk son. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man. He was no more matriculaous person, virtuous, matriculaous, मैरिड पर्सन. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गुणवान व्यक्ति नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे अंदर सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइसिंग हो जो अगले वाले व्यक्ति से कम हो, या अगले वाले व्यक्ति में ज़्यादा हो मुझ में कम हो. बट आई फाउंड दैट आई कुड नॉट इवन द एन्जॉय द पुअर एंड limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my pupil were not free. वह जब मैंने महसूस किया कि मुझे बहुत कम स्वतंत्रता दी गई है, लिमिटेड, नैरो, मुझे बड़ी ही संकीर्ण थोड़ी सी स्वतंत्रता दी गई है, दैट्स फ्रीडम आई वॉज अलाउड. But when I knew my pupil were not free, I am also not free. But my society, my tribe was not free. Freedom is indivisible. Indivisible. Freedom is indivisible. Yes. The chains on any one of my pupil were the chains on all of them. Actually, this chain of the bondage, ये जो जंजीरें थीं बंधन की, प्रत्येक व्यक्ति पर, मेरे समाज के प्रत्येक व्यक्ति पर जो बंधनों की जंजीरें थीं वो सभी व्यक्तियों पर पड़ी हुई थीं. द चेन्स ऑन ऑल ऑफ माई पीपल वर द चेन्स ऑन मी. जो मेरे समाज के लोगों पर जंजीरें पड़ी हुई थीं वो मेरे ऊपर पड़ी हुई थीं. मेरे समाज के लोगों पर जो बंदिशें लगाई गई थीं वो बंदिशें मेरे लिए भी थीं और मेरे ऊपर लगाई गई बंदिशें समाज के लिए थीं. I knew that oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. मैं जानता था कि ऑपरेसर्स आवश्यक रूप से बहुत ज़्यादा उदारवादी होते हैं, जैसा निश्चित रूप से एक ऑपरेस्ड करने वाला होता है। ऑपरेसर विरोध सहने वाला, ऑपरेसर विरोध करने वाला और ऑपरेस्ड विरोध सहने वाला। ए मैन हु टेक्स अवे अनदर मैन्स फ्रीडम इज ए प्रिजनर ऑफ हेट्रेड। द पर्सन who takes any other man's freedom, it is not sure that he is not the victim of hatred, because to whom he kept in a prison, he is the oppressor, is the victim of hatred. जो विरोध करता है, जो किसी व्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता लेता है, उसको भी एक कैदी की घृणा का शिकार होना पड़ता है। He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow mindedness, क्योंकि वह एक दुर्भावना, प्रेजुडिस दुर्भावना, बुरी इल फीलिंग्स, नैरो माइंडेडनेस वो संकीर्णता और दुर्भावना की जंजीरों में बंधा हुआ है, पीछे बंधा है। आई एम नॉट ट्रूली फ्री, आई एम टेकिंग अवे समवन एल्स फ्रीडम। नेल्सन मंडेला इज एक्सेप्टिंग दिस फैक्ट दैट इफ आई एम टेकिंग सम अदर पर्सनस फ्रीडम, एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट फ्री, just as surely I am not free when my freedom is taken from me। जैसे कि मैं किसी व्यक्ति को तब तक स्वतंत्र नहीं मान सकता जब तक वो दूसरे की स्वतंत्रता ले रहा हो या वो अपनी स्वतंत्रता दे रहा हो। या तो मैं स्वतंत्रता लेने वाला व्यक्ति या स्वतंत्रता देने वाला व्यक्ति दोनों ही पूरी तरह से स्वतंत्र नहीं होते। द ऑपरेस्ड एंड द ऑपरेसर alike are robbed of their humanity, robbed, stolen। निश्चित रूप से एक विरोध करने वाला और विरोध सहने वाला दोनों ही मानवता का त्याग करते हैं। द पर्सन हु इज ऑपरेशर एंड द पर्सन हु हैज felt the oppression, such type of both persons also abandoned the politeness and humanity। Dear friends, now it is the over of your lesson 2, first flight, Nelson Mandela long walk to freedom। In my next video we will talk on the important question series of this chapter। Keep this point in your view that please push back I button and subscribe, like and dislike। Thank you, have a nice day।